Watch me replace a wheel hub on a second-generation Toyota Tacoma. There are two 17mm bolts that need to be removed from the brake caliper. The hub assembly is secured by four 17mm bolts that need to be removed. After the bolts are removed, you just smack it with a hammer. After installing the new hub assembly, tighten the four bolts in a crisscross pattern.
Does that count as a turn?
Mm-hmm.
Next, you reinstall the rotor. Make sure that it's seated. After that, you reinstall the caliper and tighten the two bolts.
Okay, good. Yep, alright. You can shut up.
What is this?
Caliper.
Good job.
Ask me about this one.
What's this?
Rotor.
Good job.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, what the heck?
Finally, install the wheel and listen closely.